Welcome to Capitalists versus Consumers, where we break down how money really works and show you how to start building income that works for you. Today we are covering one of the most exciting opportunities available right now, using artificial intelligence tools to automate your income. AI has fundamentally changed what is possible for everyday people trying to build passive income streams. Tasks that used to take hours now take minutes. Content that used to require professional skills can now be created by anyone. And income streams that used to require full-time attention can now run largely on autopilot. Today we are breaking down exactly which AI tools are most powerful for income automation, how to use them, and how to build systems that generate revenue without requiring your constant involvement. Quick note before we get into it. Everything we cover here at Capitalists versus Consumers is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Some links mentioned may be affiliate links, meaning we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Please hit the like button and subscribe so you never miss a report. Let's get into it. First, why AI changes the passive income equation. Before we get into specific tools, let's establish why AI matters so much for passive income specifically. The traditional barrier to building passive income was time and skill. Creating content required writing ability. Building digital products required design skills. Managing an affiliate marketing operation required research and copywriting. Each of these barriers meant that building passive income was accessible only to people with specific skills or enough money to hire people who had them. AI eliminates most of those barriers. You no longer need to be a professional writer to produce quality written content. You no longer need design skills to create professional-looking digital products. AI tools handle the technical execution. You supply the strategy and direction. The result is that the time required to build passive income assets has collapsed. A digital product that might have taken a week to create can now be produced in a day. A content library that might have taken a year to build can now be built in months. And the income potential has not decreased. It has increased because you can produce more assets in less time. AI tool number 1. AI writing tools for content creation. The largest category of AI income automation tools is AI writing assistants. These tools generate high-quality written content from simple prompts, dramatically accelerating content production for blogs, newsletters, email sequences, product descriptions, social media posts, and more. Tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and Jasper can produce research-backed articles, persuasive sales copy, email marketing sequences, and social media content at a speed that no human writer can match. A blog post that might take a professional writer 4 hours to research and write can be produced in minutes with AI assistance. Here is how to use AI writing tools for passive income specifically. Blogging and SEO content. AI can generate optimized blog posts targeting specific search keywords. A blog with hundreds of articles ranking in Google search generates passive advertising and affiliate commission income indefinitely. With AI, you can build that article library in a fraction of the time it would take to write manually. Email marketing sequences. AI can write entire automated email sequences that nurture subscribers and promote digital products or affiliate offers. Once the sequence is loaded into your email platform, it runs automatically, generating revenue every time a new subscriber enters the funnel. Digital product content, ebooks, guides, and course scripts can all be drafted with AI assistance. You provide the outline and expertise, the AI drafts the content, you edit and refine, and the finished product is ready to sell. Social media content calendars. AI can generate weeks or months of social media posts in a single session, which can then be scheduled to publish automatically using tools like Buffer or Hootsuite. Your social presence runs on autopilot while you focus on building other income streams. AI. Tool number 2. AI image and design tools. The ability to generate professional quality visuals without design skills has opened up enormous income opportunities that simply did not exist before. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and DALL-E can generate original high-quality images from text prompts. Canva's AI features allow you to create professional designs, presentations, and marketing materials with minimal manual effort. Here is how AI design tools create passive income. Digital art and print on demand. AI-generated artwork can be sold as digital downloads on Etsy or applied to print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and posters through platforms like Printify. You generate the images with AI, list them for sale, and the income flows passively every time someone purchases. Stock image libraries. AI-generated images can be licensed on stock photography platforms like Adobe Stock and Shutterstock. A large library of niche-specific AI-generated images, business, technology, lifestyle, nature, generates royalty income every time an image is downloaded. Template design. AI tools dramatically accelerate the creation of Canva templates, presentation templates, and social media template packs. What might have taken a professional designer days to produce can now be completed in hours, allowing you to build a larger product catalog faster. Book cover and product design. Authors, course creators, and digital product sellers constantly need professional design work. Offering AI-assisted design services or creating templates specifically for these markets is a growing income opportunity. AI tool number 3. AI video tools. Video content is the highest engagement format online, and AI has made professional quality video creation accessible to anyone. Tools like Pictory, InVideo AI, and Flicky convert written scripts into finished videos with AI-generated voiceovers, automatically matched stock footage, captions, and background music. The entire video production process, which used to require a camera, microphone, editing software, and significant technical skill, can now be completed by pasting a script into a web interface. 11 Labs and similar AI voice tools generate natural-sounding voiceovers from text in dozens of different voices and languages. The quality has reached a level where AI voices are virtually indistinguishable from human narrators in many use cases. Here is how AI video tools create passive income. Faceless video content. AI video tools make it possible to produce professional quality video content without appearing on camera. Finance, education, history, science, and business explanation channels can all be run entirely with AI voiceover and stock footage, producing content that generates ad revenue, affiliate commissions, and digital product sales completely passively. Online course production. AI tools dramatically reduce the time and cost of producing course video content. Instead of expensive studio setups and professional editing software, a course creator can produce polished video lessons with AI voiceover and animated slides at a fraction of the traditional cost. Video translation and localization. AI translation and dubbing tools allow a single piece of video content to be repurposed for multiple language markets simultaneously, multiplying the potential audience and revenue from existing content with minimal additional effort. AI. Tool number 4. AI research and SEO tools. Understanding what content to create. What topics have high search demand, low competition, and strong monetization potential, used to require hours of manual research. AI-powered research and SEO tools now complete that analysis in minutes. Tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, and Surfer SEO use AI to identify high-opportunity keywords, analyze competitor content, and provide specific guidance on how to optimize content for search rankings. Combined with AI writing tools, this creates a complete automated pipeline. Research what to create, generate the content, optimize it for search, publish it, and collect passive income from the traffic it generates. Perplexity AI and similar research tools can quickly synthesize current information on any topic, allowing content creators to produce accurate, up-to-date content without spending hours on manual research. AI tool number 5. AI automation and workflow tools. Beyond content creation, AI automation tools connect different platforms and systems, allowing income-generating workflows to run without human intervention. Zapier and Make, formerly Integromat, connect thousands of apps and automate workflows between them. A new email subscriber can automatically receive a welcome sequence. A new digital product sale can automatically trigger a delivery email and a follow-up sequence. A new piece of published content can automatically be shared across every social media platform simultaneously. These automation workflows, once built, run indefinitely without any manual involvement. They are the connective tissue that turns individual income-producing assets into a coordinated system that operates on autopilot. AI scheduling and publishing tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Later allow you to batch create social media content with AI assistance and schedule it weeks or months in advance. Your social presence maintains consistency and drives traffic to your income-producing assets without requiring daily manual effort. AI. Tool number 6. AI for affiliate marketing optimization. Affiliate marketing is one of the most naturally suited income streams for AI automation because so much of the work, content creation, keyword research, email, sequences, social promotion, can be fully or partially automated. AI can generate product review articles, comparison guides, and how-to content that naturally incorporates affiliate recommendations. Once published, these articles generate passive commission income from search traffic indefinitely. AI tools can analyze which affiliate programs, products, and content formats are generating the most revenue and suggest optimizations, helping you focus your effort on what is working and automate what is already successful. Email automation sequences driven by AI-generated content can nurture subscribers from initial interest to purchase entirely on autopilot, with every email in the sequence written by AI and triggered automatically based on subscriber behavior. How to build an AI-powered passive income system. Now let's put this all together into a practical system. Step 1. Choose your primary income stream. The AI tools available today work best for content-based income streams: blogging, video content, digital products, and affiliate marketing. Pick one and build the AI workflow around it first before expanding. Step 2. Build your content production pipeline with AI. Use AI writing tools to draft content, AI research tools to identify what to create, and AI design tools to create visuals. Establish a repeatable workflow where AI handles the execution and you handle the strategy and quality control. Step 3. Automate your distribution. Use scheduling tools to distribute content automatically across platforms. Use email automation to nurture subscribers and promote offers without manual involvement. Use social media automation to maintain presence and drive traffic passively. Step 4. Connect your income streams. Make sure every piece of content you create points toward your monetization, whether that is affiliate links, digital product listings, or ad-supported channels. AI tools can help you consistently embed these monetization elements without making them feel forced. Step 5. Monitor and optimize. AI analytics tools can identify which content is performing best, which affiliate programs are generating the most revenue, and where optimization opportunities exist. Spend a few hours per week reviewing performance and directing the AI system toward what is working. Step 6. Scale what works. Once you have a working AI-powered income system, the path to scaling is straightforward. Create more content in the same formats that are working. Add more products to successful categories. Expand to additional platforms. The AI tools handle the execution of each additional asset. Your time investment per asset decreases as your system matures. The honest reality of AI income automation. AI tools are extraordinarily powerful, but they are not magic. Here is what you need to understand going in. Quality control still matters. AI-generated content requires human review and editing to ensure accuracy, originality, and genuine value. Publishing raw AI output without refinement produces content that does not build trust and does not rank well in search. Strategy is still human. AI can execute brilliantly, but it cannot replace strategic thinking. Deciding what niche to serve, which products to create, how to position your brand, and how to differentiate from competitors. These are human decisions that determine whether an AI-powered income system succeeds or fails. Building takes time, even with AI. The timeline to meaningful passive income is compressed with AI tools, but not eliminated. You are still building assets that need time to gain traction, accumulate traffic, and generate consistent revenue. Expect 3 to 12 months of consistent effort before seeing significant passive income, regardless of how many AI tools you use. The competitive landscape is evolving rapidly. As AI tools become more accessible, more people are using them to produce content, increasing competition in many niches. The differentiator is increasingly not whether you use AI, but how strategically and skillfully you use it. The bottom line: artificial intelligence has fundamentally changed what is possible for everyday people building passive income. Tasks that required specialized skills and significant time can now be completed faster and more consistently with AI assistance. The barrier to entry for content creation, Digital product development and affiliate marketing has never been lower. The people who build meaningful passive income with AI tools will not be the ones who simply automate everything and hope for the best. They will be the ones who use AI to dramatically accelerate the execution of a clear strategy, creating more assets in less time while maintaining the quality and authenticity that builds genuine audience trust over time. Use the tools, build the system, stay consistent, and let the compounding do its work. That is a wrap on today's breakdown here at Capitalists versus Consumers. If this opened your eyes to what AI tools can do for your passive income journey, please hit the like button. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly breakdown every Friday after the close and our daily after the bell market report every trading day. We will see you in the next one. Resources mentioned in this video: The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss, AI Superpowers by Kai-Fu Lee, Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. This video contains affiliate links. I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you.